Hey, what's up, fam? This is your girl Eunice, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for Lisa. And today, as you can see from the title, I'm here to share with you where I get my ingredients for my DIY product. If you are used to this channel, or if you've been following my channel for some time now, you realize that I do DIY products a lot because I believe in DIY. I believe in doing stuff for myself. That's why I'm here to share with you where I get my ingredients for my DIY products, especially if you are situated in Ghana. This will be very, very beneficial to you because that's where I am. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you haven't yet subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button and also on the notification or the bell button so that you're notified whenever I upload any of my videos. So I'm going to be breaking this video into two parts, even though it's the same thing. I mean, I'm talking about the same thing, but I'm going to be talking about where I get my emulsifying waxes, oils, fragrances, and all that. And the second part, I'm going to be talking about where I get my Ayurvedic powders and all that. So for my emulsifying waxes, my essential oils, preservatives, and all that, I usually get them from online shops. So just to make this straight, all the products that I do on my channel, or all the DIY formulations that I do on my channels, I get my ingredients from online shops in Ghana. I don't have an idea of where I will be able to get these in store, because usually it's very difficult out here to be able to get them, and honestly I don't know where to get them. So if you know of somewhere that I can get it, you can leave a comment. You can just let me know in the comment section below. I'm very grateful to buy products from there, maybe go there myself to see stuff for myself. But as of now, I buy all of these ingredients from online shops. And the first one I'm going to be talking about is Everything Organics GH. That is an online shop on Instagram, and at this shop I usually get all my preservative, my waxes. This is an organic shop that sells ingredients for both skincare and hair care. So you get a lot of skincare ingredients from there, you get hair care ingredients from there. But personally, I usually buy my emulsifying waxes, ethyl alcohol, my preservatives, the liquid Jamal Plus, I get it from there. I also get my glycerin and all of the ingredients from there. So that's one place that I get my ingredients from. So there's another one on Facebook. It is Erkina Naturals. This online shop, I also get some of my emulsifying waxes from there. So usually there are times that you can't get from this shop, but you can get from the other shop. So you don't have to have a specific one that you buy from, even though you don't know the quality and all that. But sometimes when I'm not able to get one of the ingredients here, I look out or elsewhere. So I also buy my emulsifying waxes from there. They also sell Ayurvedic powders like neem powder and ethyl alcohol and other skincare ingredients, but I usually buy hair care ingredients from this. So that is also the second place that you can go get your ingredients from. Now the third place I'm going to be talking about is Ethereal Beauty Gh. This was the first online shop that I found. That was where I first purchased my emulsifying wax from, and I also purchased my Optifin from. So this is also a great online shop. They also sell skincare ingredients just like the first two that I mentioned. But this particular one, I'm able to get my BTMS from there. BTMS is quite difficult to get because most of the online shops that I have come across do not sell BTMS. But from Ethereal Beauty, they sell BTMS. They also sell fragrances. They also sell essential oils. So you can get all these from there. And I'll definitely link their Facebook pages in the description box, so that if you come across this video, you can check them out if you're interested in getting any of the ingredients. Now for the Ayurvedic powder, some of these pages that I already mentioned, they sell some of these Ayurvedic powders, like the neem powder, the moringa powder and all that. But there's also Urban Makes. Urban Makes is a very great online shop. They sell natural hair products. You can go there for any of your natural hair care products if you want some from there. I usually buy my Cantu products. I also buy my Cream of Nature products sometimes from there. And they also have Ayurvedic powders like the Amla, the Neem, the Brahmi. Those Indian Ayurvedic powders you can get there from that online shop. That's where I usually get my Amla powder from. So you can check out on Urban Makes, and they have great Ayurvedic powders. Now the next place I get my Ayurvedic powders from is from Makola Market. Now if you're in Ghana, you know about Makola Market, like one of the busiest places in Ghana. So whenever I go there, some of the stuff that I don't get on my online shops, I get them from there, and some of them too, they're way cheaper. I mean, way cheaper. So I prefer to get them from Makola when I go there. And I get my shea butter from Makola, like shea butter. And my African black soap, like I don't go to Makola Market without getting African black soap from there. Like I get my African black soap from Makola Market, I get my shea butter, and also my herbs like the fennel seeds, the anise, the rosemary, and sometimes essential oils. So I get them from the market. Makola is a very big market. If you know there, you know there, and if you go there, you can't even get mad at people for even touching you and all that. But Charlie, their stuffs are quite cheaper, so why not go there and hustle your way through? So these are basically the online shops that I buy my products from. But I have also discovered 2 other new online shops that I intend buy from them. So one of them is I don't know how the pronunciation is, but it's Jeev Naturals. I recently discovered them. I haven't purchased anything from them yet, but I realized they had marshmallow roots and sleepy elm. They also have ambono powder and herbs. So I mean, I want to try and buy some of these from them to also use for my DIY formulations. I have been looking for marshmallow roots and sleepy elm for like ages. I haven't been able to get them, but I recently discovered this one, and I really want to buy those from them. And there's also formulators. What's the name? I've forgotten the name. I'll just put it up here. And they also sell BTMS. I recently discovered that they also sell BTMS. I haven't bought anything from them yet, but I'm gonna be trying to buy their BTMS to try it out as well. So guys, this is basically where I buy some of my products from. If you have anywhere that you buy your ingredients from, you can also put them in the comments section, and then we'll see. I also want to try some new places to buy their products and also their ingredients to see. And guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope this video was essential and it was helpful. If it was, just give it a thumbs up by liking the video, and also do subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you same time next week with another video that is going to be a DIY, of course. So stay tuned, and as always, bye.